about this.
This, my friends, is Midnight's Edge. This is the evolution of our 3D printed rockets. This rocket is printed using ASA carbon fiber filament. Now this blend of filament contains 20% of carbon fiber laced within its filament, while the 80% is your usual ASA filament. I have no idea how that works, but it produced a rocket that is lighter, faster, and stronger than any of the other rockets we have ever 3D printed. This, my friends, is the future. Smaller than the rest of the rockets we've ever printed, but don't let this size fool you.
I thought it'd be bigger.
This rocket was designed for our most powerful engine yet. How does it work, you ask? This is the engine. We had a comment saying, why don't you produce a rocket and use the most powerful Etsy engine you could buy?
Do it.
This, my friends, is the E12-4. This Etsy engine will slide into the chamber as shown. And using our nifty plug, will hold the engine in place. And it's removable, because that's what we do, produce a reusable rocket. This E12 engine will boost off to a start of 30 newtons, and you can see, we'll post a graph right here. Here's the graph. It will jump up to 30 newtons in half a second, peaking, and it will then drop and withstand at around 12 newtons of thrust for over 2 seconds of power. Now this will help our rocket climb to extraordinary, hopefully new record height. Pedestrians are everywhere. They're already asking questions. They're everywhere. One stopped me already. He said, hey man, what are you doing? And I had to show him the rocket. So hopefully we'll get a subscriber out of that.
Chosen one!
So as you saw from the launch today, I believe the stability margin was way too high. And with the wind really just blowing in today, the rocket just steered off. The clips got really burned up from the engine, and the tail just got incinerated by all that heat. But it really looked awesome, you know, with all that flame pouring out of the rocket. I really always say more power is more problem. Come on, it's not always about more power, guys. And why is it always windy when I'm trying to launch a rocket?
But is anybody nervous about the high wind?
Thank you all for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss another video. Hit that notification bell, see the links which are listed in the description of this video. Leave a like, leave a comment. I hope your 3D printing turns out awesome, and I'll see you all in the next video.